and the race is on. Squeeze, One Bahamas, Dugo, Anak Papato, Donori inside is friendly 5, De Vega, alongside Vancy Stage, Pilio, third last, second last, Dugo's Charm, and Quick Storm is the tail ender. Running by the Doral is One Bahamas. Squeeze on the outside. Squeeze, One Bahamas. Dugo, Anak Papato racing in third. Racing in fourth, friendly 5. Vancy Stage racing on the outside. De Vega. Pilio still third last. Dugo's Charm still second last. And Quick Storm still the tail ender. And as they race the last 550, Squeeze by Hapalang, One Bahamas, Donori inside Ramsey Stage, and moving up by the release De Vega, Dugo, Anak Papato in between runners. Pilio also closing in. Last 200 meters more to run. Squeeze by about 2 lengths. Ramsey Stage, One Bahamas, Pilio on the further outside. Squeeze, Ramsey Stage on the outside. And finally, Squeeze, Ramsey Stage, Pilio, One Bahamas, De Vega, Pentafecta.